Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a very natural, simple, effective remedy for your feet. Okay, are you having that wrinkle feet? You're having that roughness and all of those stuff. Your feet is actually not looking nice. I'm gonna be showing you a simple remedy that would help you to get rid of them. Yeah, and it's actually gonna be really amazing. Like, you're gonna be seeing the result, like an instant results. Yeah, let me take you into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me walk you through. To get a younger looking feet, you're gonna be needing to use bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now baking soda is a great exfoliating agent that helps so much in exfoliating the skin. It also helps to remove dead skin cells from the feet, leaving it looking really young and supple. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be taking about 2 tablespoons of this. Okay, since we're going to be using that for our 2 legs, 2 tablespoons is perfect, but if you want to take more than that, it's still okay, because this is actually required and very necessary for this treatment. Now the next ingredient is sugar. Now, because of the smaller granular particles in sugar, it helps to scrub out the dead skin cells from the skin, making the skin look really supple. It also helps to reveal your follicles on your leg, and it removes all of the dryness and the roughness, especially in this weather. Okay, so this is actually very important, and we're gonna be needing to use about 3 tablespoons. That's 3 tablespoons, and I'm gonna be mixing that. Okay, so the next ingredient we're gonna be needing is rice. Now rice contains a whitening property, which is very helpful to lighten up the feet. Okay, because sometimes your feet actually looks darker than your whole body, so this is actually going to be really required. So mixing rice with this ingredient is going to be really helpful, guys. So we're going to be needing just 1 tablespoon, because we do not need too much of that. And yeah guys, you give it a stir. Okay, okay, so after that is done, you're gonna be needing some Colgate. Now this minty flavor in it, you require it for your food. Okay, because when you mix with all these natural ingredients, it will help also to remove all of the dead skin cells, and to make your feet really smooth and young. So you're going to be putting just a reasonable quantity of this Colgate, and then you mix it all up. Yep. Alright, so to make this better, we're going to be needing olive oil, and olive oil is actually one of the great oil for the skin. It helps to make the skin really smooth and supple, and it also helps to leave the skin really young. So mixing it up here would help you so much, and it will help to retain moisture onto your skin. So I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of that. and then we stir this up. All right, since we need to liquidify this, we're gonna be putting in warm water for this. So we're gonna boil warm water, and then we're gonna put just a little quantity of that, and then you're gonna give it a stir. Stir is really good. And this is a perfect consistency, and this is really good. Okay, so let me show you how you're going to be using this by using it on my own leg. Yeah, for an instant glow remedy, guys, you have to use potato. Okay, now you have to use an Irish potato. Now potato helps so much for the skin. It actually helps to smoothen it out, it helps to glow the skin, it helps to maintain an even, clear and a glowing complexion, and it also helps to leave your skin looking really supple, soft and glowing. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to be peeling up the potato. Like this. So now I would have to be grating it, or instead of grating you can as well just blend it. So I actually changed my mind. Now I would want to blend it, guys. Okay, so I can have a paste of this potato. Now I'll have to be transferring it into the bowl. Put in a little water and then blend it. So this is a potato, and now I'll have to turn it into this bowl. And yeah, this quantity is perfect and it's all blended, so I have all of the full benefits of the potato, not just the juice but everything inclusive. Now I'm gonna be needing the egg. Now egg actually helps to reduce the size of an open pores on the skin. It helps to tighten up the skin, reducing sagginess and flappy skin. Yeah, so in this remedy we're basically going to be needing all of this egg. Okay guys, so here is the foot treatment, and what you do is that you would have to be mixing it all up again. That's if you kept it. Like me, I kept it to go and get ready to apply it. Okay, so you would have to be mixing it all up again, and this is how my leg look like right now. I'm going to be showing you after we've used this. Yeah, so I'm going to be using my hand to scrub this, and this feels really good. So you have to scrub really well, because you know that the leg actually packs so much of dust, sand, dirt, rain, water, everything. So you have to really scrub it. You can scrub it up to this point, yeah, where it's usually open. Pour it all up like that, and then you scrub. Okay, now I have to use my 2 hands and scrub it at the same time. Okay, scrub inside of your foot. With this remedy, scrub the side of your feet. Okay, and then you scrub the side too. Okay, so after which you scrub, the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to concentrate on your foot here. Yeah, okay, just like that. You want to concentrate here, and then you're going to scrub it. Okay, you do the same thing here too. Now, time to wash. Okay, so let's go. So you're gonna be rinsing it just like I'm rinsing mine. And then after that, then you use toilet soap. Okay, this is the toilet soap that I actually made myself. It's actually a black African soap. So you use it to wash the leg. Now you notice that after this, your leg is going to come alive. Okay guys, so after you're done, you can use castor oil or you can use coconut oil to moisturize your feet. Yeah, it is very important for you to moisturize your feet. Okay, that's when you will be having all of the full benefits. If you do this every evening before you go to bed, your feet is actually going to get better and you are going to be loving it, guys. Yeah, so this is how my feet is. Let me stand up. This is how my feet is right now. It looks really beautiful, right? So that's it, guys. It is as simple as that. It is really nice. It is very simple, and it is, you know, it scrub out your dead skin cells and your feet becomes renewed. Like, it becomes really young. It becomes so smooth. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.